I am on a boat going to a northern suburb of Sydney called Manly. When you get there, you will see a lot of boats and sailboats anchored along the bay. The water temperature is amazing and the water is very clear. There are thousands of people on the beach every single day.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am here at Shelly Beach. The beach is just around the corner, and apparently this is one of the best beaches in Sydney, most northerly.
There are many spectacular trails with amazing views in the area around Sydney. St. Mary's Cathedral is a Roman Catholic church downtown Sydney where the 9th Archbishop of Sydney, Anthony Fisher, is seated. Now I'm on a train heading down to another suburb called Cronulla. Cronulla is located in the south part of Sydney and has many spectacular beaches. Now we were sitting there and I wanted to become a famous lifeguard. It was time to go to an ugly beach and train to become the next David Hasselhoff. I did not have what it would take to become the next David Hasselhoff, so it was time to go home and prepare to go to the gym and train harder.
Cheers to Sydney.
Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.